Obadiah spoke in a fire so small, short his book, but a thunder call. Edom stood high with a heart of stone, watching Judah fall, yet they turned from their own. Brother to brother, blood on the line, but pride made them cold when Jerusalem cried. They took the ruins, they laughed at the pain, gathered the spoil while the city burned in flame. You can build on pride, but it won't remain. What you sow in darkness comes back again. Violence against your brother, shame will fall. The Lord sees every tower, the Lord sees it all. Justice on the mountain, mercy in the light. God will tear down arrogance and raise up what is right. Though the proud stand tall for a moment in the night, Zion will be singing when the morning turns bright. Justice on the mountain, mercy in his hands. He restores the broken, he revives the land. Walk humbly, love mercy, let your heart and heart bend. The kingdom is the Lord's in the end. Amen. Babylon came like a storm on the wall, Jerusalem shaking, hearing exile call. Edom should've wept, should've opened the door, but they stood in the crossroads to wound even more. Selfish gain, cold eyes, hands full of dust, trading love for greed, covenant for lust. History turned, and the proud lost their name. What they did in secret returned, just the same. Yeah, reap what you sow, that's the pattern, the way. No kingdom built on cruelty is ever gonna stay. You can hide in the cliffs, you can boast in your height, but the judge of all the earth still brings truth to the light. Check your heart when another soul is in pain. Don't profit from the tears, don't dance in the rain. If somebody else's sorrow, somebody else's fault, God is near to the broken and he's watching it all. But the word didn't end with the sound of decline. There was hope in the promise on holy Zion. Deliverance rising, restoration near. God speaks peace louder than judgment and fear. Jacob will stand and the flame will remain. Grace like a river will wash out the stain. He is just, he is kind, he is holy, he reigns, calling every nation to bow to his name. So search me, Lord, where pride still hides, where I've closed my heart, where compassion died. Teach me justice, teach me mercy again. Let me walk low with you till the end. Justice on the mountain, mercy in the light. God will tear down arrogance and raise up what is right. Though the proud stand tall for a moment in the night, Zion will be singing when the morning turns bright. Justice on the mountain, mercy in his hand. He restores the broken, he revives the land. Walk humbly, love mercy, let your heart and heart bend. The kingdom is the Lord's in the end. Amen. From the ashes comes a song, from the warning comes grace. Every proud heart trembling in the power of his faith. Let us stand with the hurting, let us live what is true. Justice, mercy, humble steps in all we do. On Mount Zion, hope is rising, faithful as the dawn. The Lord has spoken, his kingdom carries